How to log into Among Us. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, download and install Among Us. To install Among Us, open up your Play Store. Tap on the search bar and type Among Us. Now click on install and wait for the download process to complete. After the application is installed, tap on play. Now wait for the application to open. Tap on I understand. Select on continue as a new Play Games user. Now tap on create. Now tap on continue. Select continue. Now select your date of birth. Now tap on submit. Tap on yes. Now tap on sign in. Now tap on close. Now we have successfully created our Among Us account. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.